Hi, I'm Eric from Airwolf 3D, and I'm here today with our Evo 2X 3D printer. This is our largest 3D printer, and it's designed to print in engineering materials like ABS and polycarbonate. Now, what happens when you have a large print like this and you either can't or don't want to be around to watch the entire process? In this case, this part has been going for about 50 hours, and it's about 8 pounds. So this is a serious investment of material and time right here. And what do we want to do if we have to leave the machine and we don't want it running though? Well, what we've done at Airwolf is we've created a pause feature. And the pause feature is essentially going to hibernate the machine so we can come back at a later time and pick up exactly where we started. Now you may be saying, well, I could just simply pause it anyway and turn off the temps and I'll come back and start where I finished. Well, the rub is with engineering materials, especially materials like ABS and polycarbonate, you really need to keep the bed warm while you're not printing, no matter what. If the bed's not warm, the part's going to slide off and you're going to lose your print. In this case, that could be substantial. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to press pause. Okay, so we've pressed pause. We're now in pause mode. And what the printer is going to do is it's going to shut off the hot end temps on the first and second nozzle, shut off the fan speeds, basically shut off anything in the machine that is not essential. But it's going to keep the bed warm. Now, not as warm as it is during a print, but warm enough to keep that part held on the build. So now that the printer is cooling off, I'm going to give it a few minutes and come back later when it is completely cooled, except for the bed, and we're going to pick up from there. So here we are with our Evo 2X in pause mode. All the temps are off except for the bed, and the bed is at a reduced temp just to make sure that the part doesn't slide off the build plate. And we are ready to resume. So this feature can go for up to 18 hours at a time. So you could theoretically leave work, come in the next morning, and restart your print exactly where you left it off. So to restart the print, all we have to do is press the resume button. And now the Evo is going to restore all the temps to where they were, all the fan speeds, chamber heaters, etc. are going to get restored to exactly the place they were before the print stopped. The head's going to go to the same place as well, and we will have a print start essentially where we left off. So we're back with the Evo 2X. We've pressed resume, and now the machine is heating itself back up to where it was when we paused the print. The bed is coming up, and we're going to start the print exactly where we left off. And that's it. That's the pause feature. It is literally that simple. Keep in mind you have 18 hours to come back and resume the print, and that pause is available on Evo touchscreen versions 1.71 and later, and it is available for all Evo 3D printers. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.